Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your iPhone supports NFC and is on a compatible iOS version. Once done, unlock the phone and hold it near the tag with the top rear sensor. This is where the reader hardware sits. Make sure to position the tag steady, because shaky movement can interrupt the handshake. You don't need a special app for many basic tags. The system reads in the background. If an app is required, open it before scanning, so the phone routes the tag to that app immediately. Next, focus on reading and interacting with the tag. When the phone detects a tag, you'll usually see a notification. Tap it to open the linked content or app. For secure tags like transit or payments, make sure you use Apple Wallet or the specific app, because those enforce authentication. If you need to write data, use a trusted NFC writer app and pick the correct tag type and format. Otherwise, the phone won't accept the data. Keep the phone steady and close throughout these steps. To finish, verify the intended action completed. Opened URL loads, pass saved, or written data readable. Once verified, remove the tag and test again to confirm consistency. If something fails, restart the phone or toggle airplane mode, then rescan. This clears temporary radio issues. Make sure the tag isn't damaged and that it's compatible with iPhone NFC standards. Also confirm you were holding the correct antenna area. If problems persist, try a different tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.